Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We are the Jamaica Young Police channel. We do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so this is part 2 of the 3-part series, and I will tell you about the 7 most fearless detective in the Jamaica Constabulary Force in the Kingston metropolitan area. And we do some series about the police, them, the name brand police them in our rural Jamaica too. So as you see right there, yeah man, we're going to let you hear with that man. His name Bigger Young. Yeah man, and them man, there was the man in the east. Used to have a man back in a St. Elizabeth when he bag and pan, them call him Chambers. We used to work at St. Elizabeth with him and him thing. When we used to work with him, we had him never used to depend on the team and him thing, but we know him, Man, they used to smoke the cigarette like wow. Them man they used to have all them own vehicle, yeah, man, own police vehicle, them, them man and them alone bag and pan used to run St. Elizabeth. All of the bad man them free that. Yeah, but you understand. Yeah, and I just saw it go on them thing now. You're going to hear about man like Alfie Grave. We tell you about we soon tell you about what him name Karate George. Hopefully we get to talk with them and we make you hear from a man named Noel Leng. 2 Leng you have in the police force, we have name brand police. Noel Leng used to run the whole. Yeah, Noel Leng used to the Kingston East, he used to the St. Catherine. Before you have all St. Catherine North and South. The man they go out the whole if I work there, so the man they have work all like, And then the man go sent Westmoreland go back in country, and I used to run the whole parish. Cause say Westmoreland, my grandfather originated from a place named Porter's Mountain. Yes, yeah, man, I have whole heap of family, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Some of them may not even know, so you understand. So this is part 2 of 3-part series. So you watch, you listen, and you listen. Allegation, them was in charge, but them use it and put him back in a uniform. However, him get promotion after that to inspector. Time did work hard, but we don't believe in a police who work hard and rob people. I know we that. We not in that. We not subscribe to that. So even when him go through him problem and them thing, the people in a bonfire say, boy, we don't help him because he's a thief. Because we them know so we don't like thief in police. But we do believe in a redemption and them thing, you understand? But the police, police not supposed to thief still though. We are telling that because there's no reason for you to thief. Because there's so many ways out there for you as a police officer to make money, if you're hard-working police, people are going to love you, I tell you, Yeah, man. So, any approach to law enforcement, Dadrick Henry's career, his willingness to walk into danger and relentless pursuit of justice earned him a place among Jamaica's most respected and feared detectives. So, we're not a name brand detective per se again in Jamaica. Yeah, you have name brand criminals, but you're not a name brand police. You understand? So Henry career wasn't, as we tell you, the Henry career was not without controversy. One of the most debated action was the killing of Tivoli Gardens Don Claudius Massop and 2 other men near Industrial Terrace. The aftermath of the shooting saw other officers arrive at the scene and firing additional bullets into Massop's lifeless body, driven by their deep-seated hatred towards him. So the police did hate Massop, because I mean, so bad at police, this them, tell them, they start, you understand? Yeah, And when him dead, man, all a man left up by commissioner office go down there and shoot and end up off a road, left a road. The man left up by a commissioner office, got industrial, go fire shot in a dead man body. For what? I just dummy them that. You understand? How a man do that? You know, police have sense, but I saw some man still doing it. They want to say, oh, me do this and thing there. One thing that you know do on them thing, man. You know, a man dead and you never did that. A man dead, you know, fire a shot in him. Because him done dead already. Where you go shoot a dead man for? Because him not done dead. You just a dummy on them thing there. What you want to say? Say you're wicked. That is just madness. All of them thing there, we never practice them thing there. A man dead, for a man down him down. I just saw it go. You understand? So as we tell you, so the incident led to the arrest and trial of about 20 police officers, all of whom were eventually acquitted. So the event highlighted the complex and often contentious relationship between law enforcement and the criminal elements in Jamaica. A legacy of fearlessness. Dadrick Henry, fearless approach to law enforcement, marked Dadrick Henry's career. His willingness to walk into danger and relentless pursuit of justice earned him a place among Jamaica's most respected and feared detective. So despite facing numerous challenges and controversy, Henry's dedication to his duty never wavered. He passed away in January 2024. May his soul rest in peace, but you understand, leaving a legacy of bravery and indelible mark on Jamaica law enforcement. Although years ago, Dadrick spent about 50% of time on suspension than him never the entire time, yeah. So I've been him charged to something and everything, man. He's a man where he used to just act and then thing. So him always in a problem and everything. So Dadrick Henry's life and career exemplify the relentless spirit and fearless dedication required to combat crime in one of the most demanding environments. Though sometimes controversial, his actions were driven by an unwavering commitment to making Jamaica safer. His story inspires future law enforcement officers, reminding them of the courage and tenacity needed to uphold justice. So the man they leave the mark when they come on to the police force. The man never play still though, you know. Yeah, I want him with Dadrick Henry. You could have count on him anywhere once you're out there and you know you involved in any shooting and them thing there. The man there, yeah, you can bet. So the man there come help you. Where I tell you. I just saw it go on them thing there. Yeah, Dadrick Henry. Them man there, them a come help you on them thing there. The man there leave you out there. You understand? He not gonna leave you out there and make dirty boy take advantage of you. He might come help you. I just saw the man that operate as a detective. Yeah, Dadrick Henry, fearless. You know, once you hear shot fire, the man there come like the super name Linroy Edwards. Yeah, as we tell you the other day, and Unspear police them call him Jumpy Eddie. And don't think, as we tell you, not because they said Jumpy Eddie means say him jumpy. It means to say him. You know, from them on the ear shot, them that does trigger off a thing in him and them thing, the man there come. All, hey, may I tell you, the man there come all. You can't see the man there eat and them thing there. And all have all them t-shirt and them shorts and all them thing there. Because the man there always have keep and keep police. Because the man they love your work, you know. Them man they must sleep. Yeah, you understand? You have some police were like Eddie. I saw them stay on them thing. We're not talking about radio Pinnock we get film promotion them. But like him not sleep. Every minute you hear him on the radio. And him not do no police work. I not shoot nobody. One brother with the name him name Pinnock. You not remember what Pinnock him name. Him did that in Paul take away one of Dadrick girl and them thing. Take away Dadrick gun and then take away him girl. But I mean I tell him, you know what kind of friend them that. So 5, yeah man, Cornwall Biggerford. Cornwall Biggerford's name instilled fear across political and criminal sphere. Known for his fearless demeanor, yeah man, Biggerford, a dangerous police, and a boy and I play with Biggerford, you know. Yeah man, from your youth and them thing, the man the name ring a bell, yeah. Hey, when boy hear Biggerford name and them thing. But hey, one thing with him still, you can't know say him a Kingston and them thing. Although Biggerford a police and them thing, you can't know say I tell you can't know say Biggerford a real corrose still. Yeah man, I tell you how him behave and them thing, how him treat. Oh, hey, still you know. You say I'll do is a man that come from and get him not treat get the people now we and this them man. That's why we reason I say that to them thing how him deal with them and them thing. You see him and them because them big that a bad one and them thing that so him behave, you know. So that's why we say boy him a corrose like them. A bigger for that man. But hey, I tell you say one thing with them and them thing that them and they are, you know, apart from him, hey, one thing, him not hide say him a PMP. But he's a man where him love police still though, you understand? And the man him cool in a some way and them thing there. You understand? I just fool that. I tell you. So the man do them, deliver them thing. So Cornwall Bigger Ford's name, Cornwall Bigger Ford's name instill fear across political and criminal sphere. Known for his fearless demeanor, Ford survived multiple gunfights. Hey, and I want to tell you this. Hey, tell you a point where Bigger Ford will kill him nephew. I tell you, them in get trouble. Upper Grand Spend. Yeah, a twin, man. Him nephew, him sister pitting them. So that for sure, so them the man they are police, the man they do them job without fear or affection. Yeah. You understand? If a man kill him nephew them get trouble and them thing. You know, so that's an ordinary man. Hey, them man play with them thing. And ordinary, hey, if a man kill him own family member, and them thing there. Him nephew, and then after you kill him, I got him funeral. Boy, yeah, for cool, Yeah, man, Bigger Ford do that, man. Yeah, them time him and Arthafabs and Datrick Henry the team. Although you talk about Arthafabs, them the man they put Bigger Ford name on the map. But the reason I want to put Arthafabs out there, them thing there. Yeah, because we know say Arthafabs is the man they low key. Enough people don't know the man there, but him used to do all I work. Ask Piggy Williams and them thing. Piggy Williams, them man, they are original. Hey, them our next dangerous police at it. But we have to go talk to him separate. You don't know them man there. Although them Piggy, them man they are big PMP police to like Bigger Ford. And even Bigger too, cause him play a major role in the PMP. Bigger Ford, they were on a politician in a person, like how Piggy Williams in their own their own DK Duncan and issuing a gun and all them thing there. We don't know if him used to do it, but we know Ironside, yeah, because Ironside used to live in our yard at Jonestown, that are Vernie McCain, Yeah, man, I would say Vernie coming out here and them thing there with all 16. And then the police gun them that, you understand, more I want to, But you don't know, I just saw it with them time. So that's why I used to tell people, say, know me from a little boy, yeah, say, boy, me, you're a little boy. That's when him call me at Hunsby and I say, boy, I want come in junglist. And people say, wait, how am I call him? And I say, oh, me know him from a boy and them thing there. You understand? So that's why as any little thing, a man want, like them want to, yeah, him then call and then say, so boy, when you talk to Porter, and then he call me in the office and say, junglist, this, that, and yeah, I'm a virgin still, you understand? Because I know the man from a little boy. You understand? And him say, boy, I know say, Tom, you love Tom, But you understand, him know say, Tom Levine, me always look up to and them thing there. Like them man, he wasn't a bad police there like Tom Levine and them thing there, you understand? But him used to live in a way at Jonestown. You understand? But them man, they are more PMP than Michael Manley, yeah, man. But rest in peace, yeah, man, we don't deny so we know the man and them thing there. So, yeah, so Bigger Ford is famous encounter involved thwarting a robbery, an armed robbery despite being shot. Bigger Ford's career was marked by numerous successful operations, earning him a reputation of one of Kingston's most controversial yet effective detectives. Cornwall Bigger Ford, the fear controversial detective, yeah man, is a name that resonates with both fear and controversy in the Kingston metropolitan area. Hailing from Anatown, a well-known stronghold of the PMP criminal organization in downtown Kingston, Ford's career as a detective was marked by a fierce reputation and political ties. He wasn't a polarizing figure. He was a political activist and a relentless law enforcement officer. Everybody knows a Bigger Ford at PMP. Him not hide it, 1989 when Michael Manley win. Them time a Bigger Ford detective sergeant, They up on the front page, in front me, I tell you, them man, easy, I look how life funny. Bigger Ford, say a labor right save Bigger Ford career. Because Bigger Ford got jail, at Miami, in a 1986, And I see him Pernell Charles. No, 86. 86? Yeah. 85, yeah, between 85 and 86. Because I'm not on a visa, Bigger Ford got jail in Florida, And I see him Edward Seaga administration, there, and them bail him out, Yeah, man. Because Bigger Ford can't travel. From them time, them lose him visa. Enough police don't know that. So Bigger Ford, they got jail already. A foreign, in America. Yeah, man. Him got jail and I saw him lose him visa. Joe Williams and Pernell Charles, them escort him back to Jamaica. Because he must Pernell, hey, yesterday, man, As you see, hey, whether or not you want to believe it, it's through the ganja business and them thing there. Hey, police and politicians, you know, man, I tell you, peace in a pad, you know. So nobody watch too bigger for those PMP, you know. Them man, you know, come like whore, you know. Money, I saw it go on them thing, and them have secret for them. Bigger for have secret for Joe Williams and Pernell Charles, and through Siaga and them thing, that them bail him out, and Ford end up to become senior superintendent and police. You think Siaga never knows the bigger for the PMP? That's why them have him up a conscience because he want a name right for make sure they up the creep cool. But the reason why them never make that, the reason why them like that weekend was and him couldn't because him can't control him uncontrollable them thing there. So that's why him never them have to move him from up and that. Him in a work with bigger Ford and yeah, based on 1 and 2, yeah, that require for outshine bigger Ford and you don't know say the people them uptown them love bigger Ford because man, hey, yeah, so we can't tell us something about bigger Ford and them thing there. But all like KFC where man thief all safe for money and all of them things. Them man are not easy, you know. But the people, them, the criminal, them love him still, you know. I tell you, them love him because him, them say a criminal too. Yeah, but you understand, them I say sometimes him play fear and sometimes him play fear. But we're virgin still, you know. Yeah, so Ford's roots in Anatown place him in the art of politically charged environment, shaping his career as a detective. His deep connection within the community and his political activism made him a formidable figure. Despite the controversies surrounding his political affiliations, Ford's impact on crime in Kingston metropolitan area was undeniable. The Spanish Town assignment in the 1980s, rumors suggest that Ford was assigned to Spanish Town, them time with a training school to address the rising criminal activities in St. John's Road area. This assignment turned into a significant test of his ability when gunmen pinned him down and Ford escaped the dire situation by demonstrating his unyielding courage and tactical skill. Despite his successful escape, he was soon transferred back to Conscience Spring amid allegation of partially due to his political ties. So the man must say, boy, a Spanish Town them time, they must say, no, too bigger for the PMP. Them say, we don't want him over here because politics him come and fight. And them time they see a prime minister and them transfer him back to Constant Spring. Then they say them a Spanish Town for go cool it. Them time the Era 5 used to be at Spanish Town. Yeah, right. You see right with the general, which was the general officer that a Spanish Town police station used to be Era 5 headquarters. So them transfer bigger Ford back now to Constant Spring because the man them them the place you know. A dangerous place to work in a Spanish Town, you know. So in the 1980s, rumors suggest that Ford was assigned to Spanish Town. And as you know, them send him back to Constant Spring. So the December 1986 shootout, the man they are legend, you know. One of the most defining moments in Ford's career was them time we are the police, you know. We are telling this, you know. In 1986, December 19th, that's about 3 or 4 years before Christmas. Because even that same Christmas, we have an explosion up by one of the plaza them uptown where I think about 7 people in dead. Where a man have you buy balloon where them use a certain gas to pump it, and guess what? You don't know them. It have to be a certain kind of gas, and then mix that gas away there, and it exploded. 7 people dead, man. Yeah, man, that are after bigger Ford thing now. So bigger Ford now, yeah. And the man, one thing with him, him talk loud, Yeah, man, him area and them thing there. You understand? We are telling him, is a man, him talk straight and everything. I saw him stay. But I tell you, we have some encounter with him and them thing there. My man talk, but still the man, they can't belly. Them we still catch we are not thief. The man they can't belly for people brought them foot hard. The man they make money and him not get none. Him eat it for that, you know. The man not play when they come on to money. Bigger Ford, yeah man. So Bigger Ford walk into an armed robbery at a plaza, uptown, along Constant Spring Road. During the intense confrontation, he was shot in the buttocks. Yeah man, Bigger Ford get shot in one in body, but managed to kill 2 of the gunmen. Yeah man, this dramatic incident made headlines and further cemented his reputation as a fearless and capable detective. And it was all over in news. Them time there one TV station we have in a JVC. But you when man all hear that, at them time the man afraid the Bigger Ford more now, you know. What? The man get shot and him kill all the 2 boys them. And you understand? Yeah man. And him alone too, you know. Because you don't know, more or less I must envelope him go for them thing there. Go meet up in a robbery. Bigger Ford get shot at him. You understand? One of the boys shot him from back way. And he managed to kill the two of them. Yeah, man. So the man in a plane, man. Yeah, man. As Bigger Ford say, hey, look here. Bigger Ford say, hey, if you kill a man and if you kill a boy and them thing there, you have problem. You have problem. He say just kill the next one. He say once you kill the next one, once you kill, yeah. He say, yeah, man. If you kill one boy, it all depends how you stay and them thing. It will affect you. But you see, once you kill 2 and 3, yeah, man, not no man. Yeah, man. Hey, you just hey, look here, man. Hey, boy, forget gunshot in me. I tell you, that's him talk. Yeah, man. I'm a meeting when me a cadet to one them thing, and them come on course. And you know, them have left them 9mm pistol like guard room and them thing there. Yeah, man. Then me a cadet. You know, and what am I telling me? Say me a cadet and them thing there. What imagine? Yeah, skeleton, you meet a great Bigger Ford. Yeah, one time we meet Trinity when him the compound and course over there in the 80s. Yeah, man, the man, what? The man, Bigger Ford. Yeah, the man, loud one, man. Yeah, man, I tell you. So Ford actions and affiliations drew admiration and criticism throughout his career. To some, he was a hero who bravely confronted criminals and protected the community. To others, his political connection and controversial action painted a more complex and contentious picture. One thing I can tell you, Bigger Ford, anything to do with money, in the business for your labor or PMP, I just saw him, I tell you that. Ask Dudus if you think, I tell you, yeah. So here look Bigger Ford, man. Ford's impact on Kingston metropolitan area, law enforcement landscape must be addressed regardless of perspective. The reason why, well, as a year, MIU man say, you know, I tell you this, when I go to school and them thing, the first time I hear about coke, I was in a Kingston Spring Market here. I used to take bus to go to school. In the 80s, you know. Them time when coke just start arriving at Jamaica, you used to have boys who sell coke in a bus park, you know. And them used to say, we don't know what truth it is, them say, Bigger for them I sell coke for. Them time they pat Kingston Spring police station down the road. But I tell you, in the 80s, so I find them time we are here, but them time they have bad police and them thing then. And boy used to say about coke base or Barbican and where I go to school. Yeah, because I used to have youth who you go to school, you know, we play football. Man, they get expelled from another school at all, so they end up at our school. You understand what I'm saying? And him used to, them say, yeah, them boy used to go to school, some of them buy coke and smoke it with weed. Because it's season spliff. Some man lose them marbles and them things. So you know, smoke weed and them things. You understand? You know, see it. So Cornwall Bigger Ford's career is a testament to Jamaica's complex interplay between politics and law enforcement. His fearless approach to tackling crime and political activism made him a unique and influential figure. Ford's legacy continued to evoke mixed emotions, reflecting the multifaceted nature of his life and career. Ford's history and story reminds us of the challenging and controversy that often accompany a career in law enforcement, particularly in political charged environment. His actions, both celebrated and critiqued, underscore the problematic and sometimes dangerous path that detectives must navigate in their pursuit of justice. So yeah, man, so Bigger Ford retired from the police force in the early 2000s. Yeah, man, just call it, I think it was before the Tivoli encouraged, yeah, 2015 him retire, yeah. Him just call it a day, him just say, hey, I'm done with the time thing. But you don't know, hey, him still can't drive go anywhere, jungle anywhere and them thing. Everybody know him car, everybody know him and them thing. You understand? Him a Rasta now, and you know, as them say, you know, Bigger Ford as a farmer name brand police. It kinda look a weird and them thing now where him, you know, become like a political activist where him out there and you know, and I like say, although I not try to become councillor and them thing in our community, but I get it, you know, because they must say, oh, you know, you understand. So I just saw it go. So 4, yeah, I go where I go down on this 4, Tony Hewitt. Anthony Hewitt, yeah man, Anthony Hewitt, affectionately called Tony Hewitt, was a soft-spoken, no-nonsense detective whose marksmanship and fearlessness struck terror into the hearts of criminals. And as you have heard already, even on the channel to one of them things, so that shows boy, it's not all name-brand police. You know, it seems like most of these name-brand police, they have some like a tarnished record with corruption and Even Tony Hewitt, one of them thing as you hear the man say with the Coptic thing, liquor 13, I tell you, the man, they all criminal, you know. Yeah, and convicted and him do him time and him believe in a redemption and a change in a youth's life. I would have liked to talk to him again, liquor 13. The man, they all bad man, you know. And him tell us some things about Tony Hewitt, how Tony Hewitt they kill the 2 police them. A criminal that I tell you, you know, out that easy man Benji with some gold business from Montego Bay. And then Tony would kill 2 other men now, you know. 2 men were used to work with him in a Coptic drug trade, and the man them get $17 million for give. Them kind of $17 million could have buy the whole parish, you know, man, as Kingston, you know. I'm just kidding. And the man them only Tony with $7 million out of 17, and him send them straight at the parch along, as the man say, and them they killing the police killing and them thing. I tell you, understand? As you have to go and look, check it out. Well, liquor 13, the man they are all time bad man. And him tell you them thing there. We never edit the conversation. Because the man there, and other the man they tell you about Tom Levine to one them thing and Leng and all of them. But I must tell you, say, every name brand police at Tom Levine are the man that set the pace. But Tom Levine wasn't them kind of hype police there and make name Tom Levine. But Tom Levine was a celebrity police. I tell you that in my time. When the man they come all in a Jonestown, people have broke down the fence and hey, it's Tom Levine. I saw people because the man was a community hero. I tell you that, yeah. You understand? People love him. A long live for Tom, man. Because all of a man were even before him and after them dead and him still about. Last time I see him on a funeral. You know, him not even aged that much, you know. You understand? Yeah, so Tony Hewitt, known for his precise shooting skills, Hewitt was relentless in his pursuit of justice, ensuring that notorious killers never made it to the hospital, but straight to the departure lounge. Yeah, man, the man they never play, man. His reputation as a sharpshooter and dedication to crime fighting made him a legendary figure in law enforcement circles. Tony Hewitt, Anthony Hewitt, also known as a no-nonsense detective, unafraid to take on criminals, especially murderers. He drove fear into the hearts of killers and was known for his shooting skills as a marksman and a sharp shooter who, whenever he pulled his weapon, he knew that he was going to use the same. The man in a pull gun on people because they want to search them. Until the man pull them gun, Tony Hewitt and Isaiah Leng and Tom Levine, them use it. The man there was different kind of police. When the man take out them gun, you know, say you go here the shot them fire because them not pull them gun unless them have reason. So the man, you understand? But you don't know because tone violent. That's why police have to stick up men with gun because faster, you understand what I'm saying? So he drove fear into the heart of killers. Yeah, man, known killers. You know, Tony Hewitt. And so Tony Hewitt was not into the business of sending gunmen or killers to KPH. He not believing in that. The man say, yeah, him say straight departure along Madden's was his favorite destination for them. And he was known island-wide as a name brand detective. Them time, yeah, Tony Hewitt was, yeah man, everybody knows him a name brand detective. Yeah, so number 3, Isaiah Leng. And the man say, wait, so Tony Hewitt, yeah, the reason Isaiah Leng, Isaiah Leng send more men to the departure along than Tony Hewitt and everybody else up at top. I tell you that. Isaiah Leng's relentless pursuit of criminals, especially in West Kingston, earned him a superstar status at Admiraltown Police Station. Despite being shot multiple times, Leng's determination never wavered. His effort led to the recovery of hundreds of firearms and elimination of numerous criminals. Leng's legacy as a fearsome detective endures, with his name still evoking fear among criminal elements in Kingston. Yeah man, Isaiah Leng, the fearless superstar of Kingston. When you talk about real name brand police was Leng. And guess what? The thing when normally it's shocking, anytime you see him, you couldn't believe say boy that one bad police and them thing. Him just look easy, just like Tom Levine. But the only thing is that now him taller than Tom Levine. But Tom Levine now, with the difference with Tom Levine and Leng now, you can't know that Tom Levine was a bossy police. Me not hawks, me I tell you. Because them man have all them chaparita and them man they pristine in them man. Them man they clothes clean in and them man, hey, you see all them man they pants, the seam in them pants, can't cut Hey, the man that see me in the pot can cut all bread. I saw the man they just, you know, so you understand. And the man have all them gold watch on them thing there and them time. What? Oh yeah, say man, the man, hey, and you know say and you never hear say the man they mix up with no criminal, like how you hear say Calvin Benjamin and George Pang and the man they are friend. We are and we are telling that we know that before we are police. We don't know if it's true, and them used to say him give them shot. Same Benjamin left as SSP, Calvin Benjamin. We are telling that. You have all next police where they name you have one police with name Israel, him did lose all. The man them say him used to give them shot. We don't know allegation, you understand? We weren't there. That's how people them say the man them from we connected to George Pang, you understand? You understand? You never hear, we can't tell you. Yeah, you have a brother with name Pussy Gilroy. Yeah man, Gilroy. Yeah, him come from Marvel. Him used to smoke. We as youth I grew up, we used to see him sit down at Bibo corner. I smoke ganja with the man them from Bibo Passy. Gilroy, the detective there. Him live at West Cumberland. Him, we used to see him and the man them as, oh, what kind of police that? What kind of detectives the brother there? Him and them. So, oh, if you be police and you the pan wall and corners of smoke, you know, a dirty man them that. Just like Harry Bongos and them thing there. Corrows the police them. So when me a police and all the man you know, show me respect on them thing there. I just look on them sideways because I say, you are a police, because you think me forget you. You're a criminal, because me see up on Bibo corner, I smoke ganja with all them man. And then you hear man them say, boy, all them get all shot from him. Me don't know. You understand? So sometimes you see some police, you don't even know them. So Isaiah Leng is one of West Kingston's most fearless and impactful detectives. His illustrious career at Admiraltown Police Station span over a decade, during which he earned a reputation to relentless pursuer of criminals and a symbol of justice in one of Kingston's most challenging areas. A relentless enforcer, known affectionately as Leng by criminal and colleagues. Isaiah Leng's name still instills fear among young criminals today. His career was marked by an unwavering dedication to law enforcement and a relentless drive to rid the street of dangerous elements. Leng's approach to policing was and direct, earning him respect and fear across the community. So far in the line of fire, Leng's bravery is exemplified by the fact that he was shot 3 times in the line of duty. Remarkably, the last time he was fired was one of Jamaica's most wanted men. Highlighting his work, dangerous nature and commitment to confronting criminal threats head on. Despite these life-threatening encounters, Leng resolved never waver. During his career, Leng recovered more than 200 illegal firearms, a testament to his effectiveness in reducing gun violence. His proactive efforts in seizing these weapons played a crucial role in making the streets of West Kingston, Kingston West, safer. Elders from Jonestown and Concrete Jungle attest that if Leng were still serving today, he would likely have recovered over 1,000 firearms, given his relentless pursuit of criminals and sending criminals to the departure lounge. And them a boy, you know, so them not a jail thing. So Leng's fearless approach to law enforcement earned him the reputation of sending at least 80 or more junglists to the departure lounge, a term indicated the end of criminal activities, often through lethal encounters. This phrase captures Leng's direct and uncompromising method of dealing with dangerous criminals, making him a formidable figure in the eyes of both lawbreakers and law-abiding citizens. So people them in a Concrete Jungle and Jonestown, all over them love Leng, I tell you, you can't say nothing about him. So to this day, Isaiah Leng, Leng's name evoke a sense of fear and respect among young criminals. In West Kingston, his legacy as a detective who was unyielding in the face of danger and relentless in his pursuit of justice continue to influence the community. Leng's career is a powerful reminder of the impact a dedicated and fearless law enforcement officer can have on a community plagued by crime. Isaiah Leng's contribution to law enforcement in West Kingston and other parts of the Kingston metropolitan area are unparalleled. His bravery, effectiveness in recovering illegal firearms and uncompromising stance against criminals have left an indelible mark on the community. Leng's story is one of courage and dedication, inspiring future generation of law enforcement officers to pursue justice with the same relentless spirit. So, when I tell you something about Leng now, because I hear now, whether or not you want to believe it. Leng, yeah, Leng, what I tell you, Leng, Tom Levine, Tony Hewitt, Evan Simpson, the man they are bad police, Monkey Man, some bad police on it, but we use everything of them seven. And Keith Trinity Garner, all of them police, I guess what them said? They said them are labor, Al Benji, Calvin Benjamin, them said them are labor police. So that's the reason why them get rid of Leng. The PMP them said Leng, say him, apart from Tom Levine and Trinity, because them time Trinity, them couldn't get rid of Trinity. Them man they is up there in a rank. Once you have inspector and above, it's not easy for them to kick you out of the force. But Leng was a detective sergeant. Not that Leng never worthy to be even a soup then. But you know, say, him did have enemy in our police force. Because Leng was a bossy police, you know. Yeah, was a bossy. Him no, and anybody in a Leng circle. Leng, you understand? You know, as police, it's just like even we ain't and we used to work on them thing. I just one police. We have a team and them thing, but when you say circle, we are talking about people where, you know, you have in your inner circle. So, because of that, now, they never, the people them in the hierarchy police force, especially along the CIB headquarters, none of them never did so like Leng, because most of them down there we are telling them a PMP criminal organization police. So true Leng a work down on them thing and them a kill PMP criminal them, because them did grab Cuba go train for use M16 and come back and Leng a kill them like fly. Although them really want to transfer him, people them never want him to leave because he might keep them safe. As you hear General Starkey, cousin, she see him and I tell her, say, Leng save all them for them life. But when that him tell you, you know, one and two little things. I hold it, hey, them no man, no man. Imagine, hey, in a theme time when gunman, in a kid, when I talk about gear, so when I tell you about Tivoli gear, they have M16. Most of M16 them in a concrete jungle and Jonestown. One of them there, if we get to talk to them, we tell it, and on the hawks we tell you. And for Leng them time to Leng them have chopper. And them never have M16 yet. And when Sierra go in, I saw the police then get M16. So imagine when police just have 9. I saw them have SLR, you know. The police they not have rifle. Michael man they make certain so them not have them thing. And for them man they can the boy them with rifle and them man they could have take them out with them 9. Tom Levine and Leng and them man they could have killed them same way. Because they can't shoot like the police and get them M16. You understand? And then sometimes the police can get them M16 and use the same M16 pan the other boy them in the gang where you shoot. Yeah man, I mean. And lick them way. Yeah, I tell you. So them use politics now. One brother named Colonel Trevor Macmillan and them draw a card for Leng and kick him out of the force. Yeah man, KD night them and the whole of them. Because them say man labor right police. Leng, Isaiah Leng. And I tell you man, the PMP community celebrate the criminal them, you know, when I talk the law abiding citizen, them celebrate when them lose. Yeah, say, oh, long time him a fight get a youth and all of them things. But yet still, and a long turn most I get a youth them in a Jamaica rich because I'm stage show when him sting. I tell you that. All Shabba ranks and all them man there. Long turn the whole heap of poor get a youth in a millionaire in a Jamaica because I'm sure when him sting. If you don't make it on sting, you can't make it now if you go tour for you next year if you go overseas. You have to come on sting. You understand? So yeah, so we have come to the end of part 2 of this 3-part series. You know, we're telling you about the 7 name brand police officers in a Kingston metropolitan area drive fear in the heart of criminal. Because man all even, you know, sile himself when him in a prison. And if you want, you can go and look for the little 13. That was the original. The man there, one of the all-time bad man in them 70s were still alive. The man they don't know what them proud about them past, because the man they decide to change them life and help younger youth not follow the path that he had, you know, traverse. So we have come to the end of part 2 of 3. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.